A. Anu eats an apple. Vasu has a bat and a ball.
Anu likes cabbage and carrots. D. Dinesh dances day and night.
E is for Esha. Esha enjoys an elephant ride. F is for Faiz. Faiz feeds a fish. Here you go, eat a fish.
Govind goes to get guavas. Hari helps Harveer. I like ice cream. Jack just jumps down. Kavita keeps the kittens on her knees. Lata looks at the leopard. Moti mends a mat. N. Navneet writes his name on new notebooks. O. Opens a box of oranges.
Prema puts a pencil in her pocket. Queue up quietly.
Radha rolls the red ribbon. 6 sparrows sit on a sack. The teacher tells a tale.
And the little rabbit hopped all the way home, she said with a sparkle in her voice. The children listened, eyes bright with wonder.
Usha uses an umbrella. Vishnu visits a village in a van. We see a watchman near the white wall.
X is the last letter in ox, fox, and box. Yasmin and Yana are friends. Zebras graze in the zoo.